This is the TP-Link AC1900, also known as the Archer C9. This is TP-Link's wireless dual band router with gigabit Ethernet sockets on the back for cable connections. This is for something like Virgin Media. It offers up wireless AC connections at up to 1900 megabits per second. It's got 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz bands, and it gives you really good Wi-Fi coverage throughout your building or your house. USB 3 on this as well. Let's take a closer look at the actual product, and it's really nicely designed. As you can see, we've got 3 antennas across the top, and you can angle these and rotate them to give you the best sort of wireless coverage. We've also got an array of LEDs which gives you various feedback such as power, connectivity, synchronization to your internet connection, the TP-Link branding of course, and a gloss white finish across the front. Really nice looking device. Now this side here is completely clear. Round on this side here we have got a little Wi-Fi switch and also a USB 3 socket. Now this USB 3 socket can be used for easily sharing other devices across your network. So perhaps you want to connect a printer in there or a hard drive, and then you can access that across your network. Round on the back, this is where all of the connections reside. Now, as well as the connections, we've obviously got this stand, which you've seen in action. You can't adjust the angle, but at least it's there. At least it's nice that you've got a stand integrated into this. We've also got a USB 2 connection down the bottom. We have got a reset switch, which acts as a WPS switch as well. Ethernet input to connect your modem or your existing internet connection, and then 4 gigabit Ethernet sockets, a power on off switch, and the input for the power supply, which is inside the box. Now the design of this is very, very nice. The performance is equally as good. It's got some great features. It's got beamforming technology, a 1 gigahertz dual core processor, which makes the processing of multiple wireless and wired tasks really very, very good indeed. So you've got some good performance inside here. Gigabit Ethernet sockets, as I mentioned, and that USB 3, if you're connecting something like a hard drive to it, that will give you up to 10 times faster transfer rates than USB 2. There's also a guest network feature, parental control, and 1-button security on this, and you can turn the Wi-Fi on and off very, very simply with this button on the side. So if you want to turn Wi-Fi off sort of late at night, maybe you don't want your children accessing your wireless network late at night, you can turn it off very, very easily, and you've still got access to the internet via your wired connections. You can also use this as a Wds Wireless Bridge as well, so it provides seamless bridging to expand an existing wireless network. So you could use this as an extender rather than your sort of main connection to the outside world. A really good proposition, backed up by a 3-year warranty. It performs really very, very well indeed. This is the TP-Link AC1900, or as it's better known, the Archer C9.